Hello everybody, my name's Julie. Hi, my name's Brittany. Hey, my name's Lindsay. And we're going to show you what we made. We just got done making Stardol magazine. Stardol magazine. It's really cool. I like it. And then the next one we made was Mod Doll magazine. And the people who make Mod Doll magazine is Liberty Jane Clothing. They have some cool stuff. And then the people who made the person who made Stardol magazine is Kitsy KK. Subscribe to her. And also subscribe to Liberty Jane Clothing. They're awesome. Okay, Mod Doll magazine turned out really well. You can see the words and everything in here, like, really well. And this Stardol magazine, you can see stuff and all that, but the words, you can't really see them. They're just like little scribbles. But still really cool. So that's Stardol magazine. And if anybody watching this knows how to do these, because it'd be really cool to do these, like make little bitty magazines for your American Girl doll. If anybody that's watching this knows how to do that, can you make like a video response or send me a private email or something? Tell me how to do it, because I really want to know. Because it seems like a really cool idea. Yeah, well, that's all. And comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Bye.